Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the player's hotbar in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, this is the hotbar that we are talking about, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots. So you can press anywhere from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on your keyboard to go ahead and select whatever is on that. So for example, if I put this little wall on the 7th right over here and press 7, or well, it's on the 6th, and I press 6, I can simply go ahead and select it. I can simply go ahead and put it on my inventory, and that is going to disappear from the hotbar, but I can simply go ahead and put it on my hotbar anywhere and select it by clicking that exact number. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. For more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.